Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Zoom and choosing your meeting type, scheduled or instant. Once signed in, create the meeting and set meeting security like a passcode or waiting room to control entry. Make sure to pick the right camera and microphone, then run Zoom's audio and video tests. This prevents surprises. Once done, invite participants via calendar or meeting link. You'll be ready to share your screen and present cleanly when attendees join. You share your content by clicking Share Screen and selecting the specific window or your desktop. Choose PowerPoint in Slideshow for slide transitions to look smooth. Make sure to enable Share Computer Sound and optimize for full-screen video if you have embedded videos. Once shared, manage participants by assigning a co-host for Q&A, muting attendees when needed, and using Spotlight to keep the main speaker visible. These controls let you run a focused, professional presentation. You conclude by stopping screen share and either ending the meeting for all or assigning a new host if you need to leave early. If you recorded the session, save or convert the recording, verify whether it went to cloud or local storage so you can share it afterwards. If something goes wrong, try simple troubleshooting. Check Zoom's audio and video device selection, reconnect to the network, or switch to another camera or headset. This quick triage resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.